In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix NFL Sunday Ticket login not working. Let's get started. First, make sure you are logging in with the Google account you used to purchase NFL Sunday Ticket. If you are signed in to the wrong account, you won't see your subscription. So you can navigate to your profile page, click on the option Edit My Account and check your mail. Next up, update the app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Outdated apps can cause login glitches. Next up, reset password. For that, launch your app, navigate to your profile page, then click on the option change password. Once you reset your password, your problem might be resolved. Next up, check subscription status. For that, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website youtube.com/paid_membership. If your subscription is expired or the payment failed, you will need to renew before logging in. If nothing works, go to support.google.com/YouTube or the NFL Sunday Ticket help page and contact support for account-specific issues. And that's it. That's how you fix NFL Sunday Ticket logging not working. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.